Hey guys, Max here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of my Adidas Ultraboost Parleys. Now this is the first pair of Ultraboosts I've ever owned, so I'm actually really excited to do this video, but I bought these trainers for £103 off the Adidas website. Originally they were £129, but I managed to get 20% student discount, which is really helpful. Now if you guys are a student like me, and you want this discount, all you have to do is sign up to Uni Days. It's fairly simple, it only took a couple of minutes, and then you get access to multiple discounts, including this Adidas one, but I remember seeing it had a limited time only, so be quick if you're going to sign up for it. So I got my Adidas Ultraboost Parleys in the blue spirit, white and carbon colorway. I actually really like this colorway. Like the other colorway was more black and blue, I think it was, and it costed like £20 more, which I just wasn't willing to spend. But anyway guys, let's get into the unboxing.
I switched to town zone, but what do I know? Spend a nice hitchhiking, where will I go? I could fly home with my eyes closed, but if you're kinda hard to see, there's no surprise though, and you can find me.
Okay guys, so here's the box itself for the pair of trainers. First opinions are, I really like it. It's got some nice colours going on, makes it stand out. It looks pretty nice, to be honest. So right here you have the size that you've chose, so I chose 11.5s. On the website it said something about you needing to get half size larger than you usually are, so I'm usually a 11, so I just went with an 11.5 to be safe here. Has Adidas logos all the way around, and as you can see, a massive white writing. It has Boost around the side, which looks pretty nice. Without further ado, let's just unbox this, shall we? So right here you can see the trainers itself, and then Adidas NFC thing for exclusive content. We'll look at that later, but just get you a better view here. So here you have the pair of trainers underneath this paper. There's one, there's the other. And first opinions are, wow, like these shoes do look really nice. As you can see in quite a big font on the tongue here, it says Adidas Parley. You should be able to see that. And then on the insole it also says Adidas Parley. I don't know if you can see, it's a bit dark. There you go. Yeah, it looks really cool. And one quick fact about these pair of trainers, 11 plastic water bottles get removed or saved from the ocean to go into each pair of trainers, which I think was really cool, which was the reason I chose these over the other Adidas Ultraboost, the Series 4s, and I got a pretty good price for them as well, so I guess you could say that's another reason. But yeah, these trainers do look pretty nice. On the bottom, I haven't mentioned yet, they do have Continental rubber. Don't know if you can see right here, it says Continental, so hopefully the rubber won't wear out anytime soon. And it's also got the torsion system on the back. Don't know how you'd say it, don't know what it is either, but supposedly it probably makes it comfy or something. But yeah, these are the shoes, and I will come back in a week or so to tell you how I feel about these trainers and if you should buy them. Okay guys, so I have owned the Adidas Ultraboost Parleys for about a week now, and I think I'm ready to do the review part of this video. But first of all, I do want to apologise for the unboxing of these trainers. I have been over all the footage and edited it, so that's basically what you've seen already, and I did realise the unboxing was pretty much all out of focus. But the thing about the unboxing is I can't really re-unbox them, as I've had these for pretty much a week now, so that's a bit shit, unfortunately. But we're going to have to make do with what we've got, and yeah. But anyway guys, in this review we're going to be going over the comfort, aesthetics, the build quality, and also the value of these trainers to give an overall review on whether I do recommend these trainers or whether I don't. Okay, so first of all I'm going to be going over the comfort of the trainers. The Adidas Ultraboost Parley uses Adidas's top of the line Boost material, which is made out of a thermoplastic urethane. This is a cool and unique material as it provides a ridiculous amount of comfort and also responsiveness. Therefore, if you want some trainers for running or sport, I think these are a great option. The prime knit material is also very comfortable. It hugs your feet but not too tightly and allows for your feet to feel free in this shoe whilst also making them very breathable. The rubber cage also allows for a lot of midsole support for your feet. Therefore, the comfort of these shoes is absolutely ridiculous, probably some of the best on the market if you're looking for some comfortable shoes. Okay, so now for the aesthetics of these trainers. I feel that this is a hard part to cover as it's all down to personal preference. Now personally I think that these shoes look really nice, and especially in the colourway I chose. I really like the contrast of colours throughout these trainers, especially the blue and white prime knit and laces. I also think that the boost material gives these trainers a unique and futuristic design. The Adidas Ultraboost Parley's build quality is fantastic. The main selling point for the trainers is the fact that each pair of trainers prevents approximately 11 plastic water bottles from entering our oceans. Therefore, businesses like Adidas are making a massive difference to the environment, and I'm sure many people like me are willing to spend an extra £20 to help the environment. The Adidas Ultraboost Parleys also use a continental rubber for the outsole of these trainers, which provides a great deal of grip, and overall this shoe feels very solid, flexible and high quality, and I feel they will last a long time. Although I paid £103 for these trainers, which is still a lot of money, I feel that these shoes are still a good value for money. The comfort, build quality and aesthetics makes it hard for competitors to release shoes of their own around a similar price point that can compete with the all-round quality of these shoes. Therefore, if you're going to pay this amount of money for a pair of trainers, you've never bought a pair of Ultraboost Parleys before, I guarantee you won't be disappointed. Okay guys, so for the conclusion of this pair of trainers, I do 100% recommend them. Although the price tag might be a bit steep for some of you, I feel that if you save up a little bit more and you buy this pair of trainers, I think you'll be very happy. They're just so ridiculously comfortable, they look awesome, they're built really well, therefore there's no real reason why I shouldn't recommend them to you. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you do leave a like and subscribe down below, as that will help me out massively. Check out some of my other videos in the video description. I hope you found this video informative, but without further ado, I've been Max, you guys have been awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out guys.